Alright, so here we have the finalized product for the little toy robot car. Down below, let's start off right here with the motors. They're the two little yellow components connecting the wheels to the whole board. And we have the battery pack to supply power to this whole little circuit. It's the Arduino board, the breadboard right here. This right here is going to be a switch that turns this on and off. This right here is the buzzer. It buzzes depending on like what the car is doing. So like it'll buzz while the car is moving, and it'll stop buzzing whenever it gets close to the object, just like it was shown in the previous video. And right here we have the little sensor. This tells us how close we are to an object or how far we are. Then right here we have the RGB lights. This little white bulb right here. Can't really touch it. Yeah, right there, the little white bulb. And that kind of changes from like red to green to like, and tell us like whether we're too close or too far. It'll turn red if we get too close, green if we got good space to move. Then right here we have the motor. This kind of connects, this is the motor driver right here. This kind of tells these motors right here to move, which then causes these wheels to move, whether that be backing up or moving forward. And these are all the wires that kind of got everything together. This is a little USB port we use to upload the code. And then this right here is where we're going to plug this little battery pack in for when we want to start it, just like shown in the previous video. Now up here, we have the code. This is all the code that made the car do what it was supposed to do, whether it be bagging up, turning up which lights on, etc., etc. So right here for the constant, int red pin equal 3, and all of this right here, this was just telling us what we want, like to initialize our RGBs, our buzzer pins, and then more code to follow. After that, we had other stuff like, let's scroll down. Other stuff to like calculate the distance. This detects the distance that was used to like make the car do everything that it could do. Right here we have the RGBs. It changed to red in this instance whenever it got too close, low being like turn the light off for the switch pin. Then we keep scrolling down. We got an else statement right here. This basically is goes in conjunction with the if statement. This is like the if statement that told us to back up and turn. Else, it was gonna tell us to keep going. This is like the buzzer right here. We had the 272 frequency, the delay for the buzzer, and then it just kind of turns the buzzer off, on and off. Then we have more stuff down here with the right motor, this code for it, the left motor, and all this goes in conjunction with the breadboard. Then right here, this little thing, it isn't part of the main code, but it's a function called get distance. This right here kind of covers everything as far as telling us like the distance it is to an object, how close it is to an object, or how far it is from an object. And this is kind of like the bread and butter of the code. So that's pretty much it.